Hey YouTube, it's Ashley and PG. We're going to see how far we can get with what we've got, and today we've got the Casemate Blox case for the iPhone 14 Pro. That is Blox, B-L-O-X. As you can see, it features MagSafe. The cool thing about this one for me is that it has a square design. So we're going to go ahead and open the box, put it on the phone, and we'll go over the features. Of course, this one is for the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can grab whatever iteration of iPhone 14 you have, as well as previous generations of the iPhone. The current price is $24.99 through Amazon, so I'll leave that link below. This is not an affiliate link. I purchased this on my own, and I'll not get any sort of value from sharing with you guys. Now, rectangular cases aren't necessarily a new concept now that we're in 2023. However, they still offer a more unique appearance than your standard case with rounded edges. Because I've personally never used this case shape before, I do wonder about comfort in the hand with these very dramatic corners. What I can tell you is that even just shopping for this case shape has really changed the way the cases with rounded corners appear. And to me now they just don't look as modern, and that's pretty funny because for the longest time size minimization and curves indicated a futuristic design, and over time that has been replaced by more dramatic lines representing modern design. Other key features you should consider when purchasing a clear case lie in the quality. This case will not yellow over time. It is scratch resistant and offers up to 10 feet of drop protection. They also do use recycled materials, which at this point should be standard across all accessory companies. All right, so now that you've gone along for the trip, what's a few more steps? Hit like if you enjoyed the ride, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future ones. Thanks for watching.